Today is the day I take the Japanese Hullless popcorn out. I have some ears that are pretty good size here, and I've tested it, and they're not, you can't push in with your fingernail. They're hard. So I know that they're drying, and they're pretty dry. Even though there's a little bit of green left in the stalk, most of the ears are already dry. We're going to take all this out, and we're going to see how many ears. They're just tiny ears, about yay tall anyway. And I know most of the tops did not pollinate extremely well. So let's see how much popcorn we get. Okay, I got about a dozen ears, 12 to 15 ears. Not bad, and it's enough to have seed at least. And this one, you can see, it's just little bitty white popcorn, or yellow, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to go fix this where it can continue to dry. The corn is out. I've left the lantana for now, but the lantana's fixing to come out. I'm fixing to move it to the yard while we're getting rain. I'm leaving the peppercorns, but look at this. It's going crazy, so I'm trying to root and cut and get out of here. The watermelons, this is the Turkish, I think it's Turkish watermelon. Y'all, the seeds are gorgeous. I've already harvested one. There's 2, 3. I've already taken one off, and these will all come off within a week or so, and I'll take all these vines out. And that will only leave the peppercorns and the lantana on this side. I've got a tomato that's coming out and some basil that will stay. And on the other end will be my peppercorns. These beans are staying for now. Then I've got some flowers and some basil. These tomatoes will come out within a week. But this is the cucumbers I've got going. You can see we got pollinators. I took and trimmed my mint, and I put my mint here beside it, so I'm hoping it would bring in pollinators, and it seems to be working. I see 3 at least bees in here working on my cucumbers, and I have some. I've harvested a couple already, and it's just loaded in blooms. And this one seems to have run out of energy. He's just waiting to load up. All right, the aloes and stuff here I'm leaving for now. I've got a little bit of I think I put that's turmeric. I put turmeric behind here in a couple of spots. I'm gonna leave this one. I got more turmeric. These beans will come out. The mums, I've trimmed them back. I'm fixing to take them out now that it's raining, get all the mums out of here, so all the beans will come out this week, and our high tunnel will be almost cleared except for just a few things, and we're getting ready for fall. I know it's only July, but we're getting ready for fall. My ferns have done amazing in here. I'm just really, really happy. On this side, I've already taken out almost everything except for this marigolds here and the ginger and turmeric down on the end. So we're getting ready big time for fall. But I still have some color and still have some things growing and still have some things being pollinated. Thank you guys from Crazy Days. The cow's going to enjoy that popcorn tops. It's good, isn't it, Dixie? Daisy. Here comes little Duke. Y'all like popcorn? Dolly has to come see. Duke said, Mama, let me have some. Mama gonna let you have some, Duke? Candy's enjoying her some popcorn. I think cows like popcorn. Duke's found him a green leaf.